The third form of set writing is set builder form. If a set is described by using a common property of all the elements, then it is called set builder form. In set builder form, we describe our set by using common property of all the elements. We will see some examples to understand this form. For example, E, which shows set of even numbers less than 10. We are describing our set in the form of statement. So this form of set writing is called descriptive form. Then we are describing our set by writing all of its elements 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. This form of set writing is called tabular form. Okay, now we are describing our set by using the common property that we have all x's in our set where x belongs to even number and x is less than 10. We are describing here our set by using the property of all of these numbers, that all of these numbers are even number. This is the symbol of and all the even numbers are less than 10. Here x shows even number. In set E we have x such that all the x's means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 belongs to even number and all of these numbers are less than 10. This form of set writing is called set builder form. Student, this line is used to say such that. This is the symbol of belongs, this is the symbol of and this you know very well, less than. Next set is natural number starting from 100 and ending at 104. So how we will write this set in set builder form? Starting with braces, we will express all of these elements by writing x such that these numbers means our x belongs to natural number, because all of these are the natural number. This is the common property of all of these numbers. And this symbol shows and after and we will tell the limitation of our natural number that are starting from 100 and ending at 104. Means our x is greater than and equal to 100 while it is less than or equal to 104. See the next set, that is h 100, 101, 102, 103 up to so on. This is tabular form. Okay, now we will write this set in set builder form. How? We always express the elements of the set with x in set builder form such that all x belongs to natural number, because these are the natural numbers. And again x is greater than, see here, this is greater than 99, greater than, so all the x's are greater than 9. We describe our set by a common property that they are natural numbers and greater than 99. Similarly, if we write this set in a statement, how we write set of natural numbers greater than 100, and this form is called descriptive form. Now students, let's start our exercise 1.1. Question number 1, write following sets in descriptive form. Set is given to us, A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Start solution. Rewrite the question, A, E, I, O, U. Now you know all of you know very well these are vowels of English alphabet. So we write our set in descriptive form, means we will write our set in the form of a statement. So what will be the statement? Set of vowels of English alphabet. This is descriptive form. See part number 2. Set B is given to you 3, 6, 9, 12. All are these the multiples of 3. So we describe our set in the form of statement. What will we write? Set of all multiples of 3. We write a statement about our set. Part number 3 is C is equal to spring, S-P-R-I-N-G. So we will write this set in descriptive form, means we describe our set in the form of statement, since all of these are the letters. Which letters? Letters of word spring. The next set is f is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2. Now these are set of integers. You know very well, in integers we have positive and negative both the numbers. So how we describe this set of integers from -2 to +2. Next, part number 7th is in set builder form. In set G, we have all x's such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than 3. So how we will describe this set in the form of statement? Set of natural numbers less than 3, because this is the set of natural numbers which are less than 3. Homework: students must prepare unit page in NEET register and then solve question number 1 of exercise 1.1 in your NEET registers. Jazakallah.